Hello les moustachus! In this video we are talking about a major feature in Moustache AI back office. I'm calling Magic Moustache here to help you to set up feedbacks to your bots depending on the set of questions and answers your users and the bot will have during the conversations. So basically, it's displaying here the question of the user. Sometimes it's not a question but an answer, and here it's more talking. Our user is just saying, "I want to talk to a human," and on that bot we are in French on the answer because the bot was in French by default. And so, for example, it's a good example. I have here someone talking in English and my bot is answering in French, which is still the default language of this bot, but we don't want this behavior. So in Moustache AI, for example, here, we're going to say just when a user is talking in English, please answer in English too. Okay, I'm sending my feedback. So when you send a feedback in Moustache AI, in Magic Moustache, the AI is also having a look at your feedback, the answer, the question, and also the current instruction of your chatbot. So you can be sure there is no opposition between your feedback and the instruction in the bot. For example, if in my instruction I'm saying you should talk in French in whatever case, in whatever language the user is talking, we would have an opposition. And so in that case, we are just showing you an error message saying you should directly modify your chatbot instruction in the chatbot section here. Because you are saying the opposite of what your instructions are saying. And so for us, the instructions are the first ruler of your bot, and we are not modifying them directly. We are just adding instruction. And so we'll see the bot, we'll see in the chatbot section, on the bot here, if we have a new instruction saying what we just asked to. Here at the end, I can see when a user is talking English, please answer in English too. That's perfect. So this time he just put the instruction, he just put the feedback, he copy-paste the feedback as an instruction in the instruction section of your bot. Sometimes, depending on how you are talking, how long is the message, the AI can shorten the feedback or make it more pushy in the way the AI will be more able to follow the rule you are giving. So if sometimes you are like a bit hesitating, maybe we just rephrase a bit your feedback in a very, very straightforward instruction. So that's it. Our first feedback. Of course, for some feedbacks, you can say no feedbacks needed. And so you will see that here the number of answers to review will decrease. And I think at the beginning, when you are starting a new bot, it's really good to watch at all the discussion, all the exchanges between the users and your bots to be sure that everything is going right, your instructions are well performing. And so for this, it's really good to watch at all the answer given by the bots, and to click on no feedback needed once you read the set of question answers. And if it's good for you, no feedback, you click, and then you know that all the answers to review are only answers you didn't read before. And so you can do this during 1 week, 2 weeks. I don't know at which point you want to handle and to fine-tune your bots, but this is the best way to be sure you are not going over some answers that would not be good for the users and that you don't modify with instruction. To help you, if never you start to have a lot of answers, you don't want to read everything, you can say, okay, I just want to have a look on negative reviews. So we'll show you only the set of question answers where the user was not satisfied and where he just set up here, for example, negative reviews, some done. And so maybe after a while, you will be permanently just watching at negative replies to be sure that that everything is going well with your bot. Sometimes the users are saying they are not happy here, not because the bot didn't answer well, but because they wanted maybe to have another answer not based on the rules of the bot. I mean, for example, if you say to your bot, when a user asks for knowing when the order will arrive, if you are an e-commerce website, if you ask the bot to answer to that question, currently we are not providing any information because we don't have any tracking of your package. Of course, the bot answered well, but the user is still not happy with the question, with the bot answer. Sorry. So you will always have to make the part between why the user is happy or not. Is it the bot fault or is it basically your fault? And in that case, you have to modify the instruction differently. I think that's quite clear about Magic Moustache. It's really a good tool to create, to update easily in an easy way your chatbot instruction. Do not hesitate to use this tool as much as you can to make your bot the perfect bot for your customers. See you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.